To run this program, load the necessary board manager and libraries as given in the instruction manual. Install the COM port USB driver. For more details, follow the driver installation manual. Initialize the required variables and I/O interface. Connect the I/O interface as shown in the connection diagram. Compile and run the program. Open the serial monitor for checking the result. Understanding each instruction, pause the video and read the comments. Follow the methods as shown in the video to observe the output. Here, you can see the digital input status, whether it is high or low, based on the given input. You can download this code by clicking the above GitHub link.